Hello again, everyone. Stryker CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Matt in Indiana on the Stryker 655. Hey Matt, I got it ready to go for you, man. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, and electrolytic cap upgrades to keep that voltage up. I'm using a Superstar mic. Don't really think the best idea is to use the stock mic in any radio situation. The Superstar mic is like 12 bucks on my site. Works great. Got some nice bassy audio. If you have too bassy of a voice, it may be too much for you, but 99% of my customers enjoy running these. If you're got a lot of noise in your cab, and a static 636 or Road King works well, we've got those as well. So let me just get right to it here. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug, 2 watts, roll it up, 20 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. In excess of 50 watts. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 98 PEP. Roll it back down to 2 watts. Hello. Still 98 PEP. Okay, Matt. Ready to send this out to you. It'll go out Monday on the big brown truck. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bye-bye.